Hello everyone, my name's Simon McIntosh-Smith, and together with my colleagues Tom Deacon and Tim Matson, we're going to be running the Programming Your GPU with OpenMP hands-on tutorial at SC22 in Dallas this year. Now, I'm going to spend just the next few minutes telling you a little bit about what we're actually going to do in the tutorial. First of all though, why should you consider this in the first place? Why learn to program GPUs with OpenMP? Well, the first reason is because OpenMP is one of the easiest ways to program GPUs. If you already have a little familiarity of using OpenMP on CPUs, you'll be able to carry over that experience to using the same thing on GPUs. There's a little more to learn, but that'll stand you in really good stead. So it's one of the best ways to get involved. It's also one of the most portable ways to write programs for GPUs. You should be able to write OpenMP code that will run well on GPUs from all of the main vendors, so NVIDIA and AMD and Intel. And of course, why GPUs are becoming even more important? Well, now we're starting to get the exascale systems actually arriving, and we've had Frontier delivered earlier this year. With other exascale systems coming online soon, more and more systems are using GPUs. And so being able to program them in a portable way, in a familiar programming language, will be really useful. Now, what we're going to do in terms of the tutorial is we'll actually run it in a hands-on way. You'll actually write some OpenMP code running on GPUs. It's really hands-on, so I've got a picture here of the Isambard supercomputer, which will actually give you all logins to, and we'll be running on. We have different types of GPU in that system, and you'll actually be programming that. So we'll give you some starting code, and we'll get you porting and optimizing. If you want to bring along some of your own code, you'll be able to do that too. It's usually really good fun. We've run this tutorial lots of times. There'll be some coding exercises, there'll be some optimization competitions, so it should be quite a fun day, and you get to use a real supercomputer and do some real OpenMP programming. Now, one of the nice things about the tutorial is it will be back in person, hands-on. We haven't been able to do that since 2019. In fact, here's the team that ran this tutorial back in Denver back in 2019, and the picture is from the actual class, so you can see we've got lots of people helping you out. It's usually really good fun, and you'll actually by the end of the day actually have some real working OpenMP running on GPUs and understand some of the things you'll need to do to get your own code working well. If you'd like to know more, the link on the slide here and the QR code, they'll actually take you to the material we used last year. So you can go and have a look at the slides, you can go and have a look at the exercises, and you'll be able to have a bit more of an idea of if this is for you. We hope you'll come and join us. Tim and Tom and myself, we really enjoy running these tutorials. It's a fun topic, and we usually find people have a great time doing it. So do come and join us in Dallas, and hopefully we will see many of you there.